breaking through my silent days, a kind of warmth I never knew, lighting up my hidden ways. Every word you say to me feels too honest to ignore, like you found the parts of me I tried to hide before. I was good at shutting down, keeping every door in place, telling everyone I'm fine, wearing such a careful face. But you saw right through my fear, like you always somehow do. And the walls I built for years just disappeared with you. I don't know how you did it, how you got beneath my skin. Every time I try to leave, you pull me deeper in. So stay, stay in my life. Don't let this fade into the night. You're the reason I believe love is more than just a dream. Stay, stay close to my heart, even when we're worlds apart. If you're here, I'm feeling right. So baby, stay in my life. Your name is on my every thought, even when I'm trying to sleep. Little moments, little words, promises I wanna keep. Every laugh you leave with me lingers longer than it should. Got me hoping for forever, never thought I ever would. I'm scared of how much I feel, scared of how much this is real. But every time you hold me close, I forget the urge to heal. Maybe love is fragile, maybe it can break me too. But I'd rather risk the fall than live without the truth of you. Now I'm standing on the edge, but I'm not afraid to fall. 'Cause if I'm falling anywhere, I'd rather fall with you at all. So stay, stay in my life. Don't let this fade into the night. You're the reason I believe love is more than just a dream. Stay, stay close to my heart, even when we're worlds apart. If you're here, I'm feeling right. So baby, stay in my life. Stay in my life. If my heart is wide open, promise you won't walk away. If the dark comes in between us, promise you'll still choose to stay. I've been broken, I've been lonely, I've been cold for far too long. But you feel like every place my restless soul belongs. So stay, stay in my life, even when it's hard at night. You're the reason I believe love is more than just a dream. Stay, stay close to my heart, even when we're torn apart. If you're here, I'm feeling right. So baby, stay in my life. Stay in my life. Don't fade away, don't say goodbye. All I need is you tonight. So baby, stay in my life. It's 2 a.m. and I'm still up scrolling through our old chats, laughing at the memes we sent like nothing ever collapsed. Your name's not on my phone anymore, but muscle memory stays. I type it in anyway just to watch it fade away. I put on your hoodie sleeves too long, smells like my cologne now. Funny how I stole it back, but it still feels like you somehow. I know I should go to sleep, but the quiet gets too loud, and the ceiling starts to speak in your voice when I'm down. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing okay. Lying to myself in the same old way. I'm not checking your story at 3 in the morning. No, I'm not, I'm just wide awake. I'm doing better, yeah, I'm moving on slow. Dancing in my kitchen to songs we don't know. But every time the beat drops I still reach for your hand. Like you're still here, like you're still here. Coffee in the afternoon cause mornings feel too real. Talk to my friends about you, let's guess that's how you heal. But then a song comes on the radio and I change the station fast. Some things still hit like the first time, some scars just last. I saw you like my picture, heart raced for half a second. Then I remember we're just ghosting each other's suggestions. I should probably block the past, but I kinda like the ache. It's the only thing that lasts when everything else breaks. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing okay. Lying to myself in the same old way. I'm not checking your story at 3 in the morning. No, I'm not, I'm just wide awake. I'm doing better, yeah, I'm moving on slow. Dancing in my kitchen to songs we don't know. But every time the beat drops I still reach for your hand. Like you're still here. Maybe one day I'll mean it when I say I'm over you. Till then I'll keep repeating all the lies that feel like truth. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing alright. Some nights are heavier than others tonight. I'm not checking your story at 3 in the morning. Okay, maybe once, but I'm doing okay. I'm doing better, yeah, I'm almost there. Wearing your hoodie like I don't care. And when the song ends I'll stop reaching for your hand. But until then, you're still here. You're still here. 2 a.m. in my hoodie, thinking about you like I always do.
Faded morning, blinds half drawn. Clock ticks, louder than my heartbeat. Staring at the wall like it's got answers. Same shit paint, same empty street. Plans I sketched on napkins back then. Now they're yellow, tucked away, forgotten. Phone lights up with everyone else's wins. I just close the screen and keep scrolling. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la. Turns out trying isn't always enough. The road ahead just twists and blurs. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la. How do I even start again? La 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 la. All the futures I pictured, all the versions I chased. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la. Stories flood my feed every hour. New addresses, new rings, new titles. I like the post, but it stings my chest. Fake a smile in the replies again. Bank accounts on life support, bills stacked like accusations. 11 days until the notice comes, and I'm still wondering what I'm worth. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la. Turns out trying isn't always enough. The road ahead just twists and turns. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la. How do I even start again? La 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 la. All the futures I pictured, all the versions I chased. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la. Yeah. Perhaps the daylight will trick me tomorrow. Whisper that it's not too late to turn it around. I'll buy the lie for a handful of moments, till the reflection reminds me I'm still here, still tired. Hey, 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 hey. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be, I was supposed to la 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 la. Turns out trying isn't always enough. The road ahead just twists and turns. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la. How do I even start again? La 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 la. All the futures I pictured, all the versions I chased. I was supposed to be, I was supposed to be. La 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 la.
Woke up to the rain tapping on my window. Your side of the bed still holding yesterday's shadow. Coffee's getting cold in the mug you left behind. I stir it slow like I'm stirring in my mind. Spilled a little milk on the wooden floor. Drew a tiny heart before it disappeared. Silly little rituals just to feel you near. Even though you're miles away from here. The radio plays our song on low. I pretend I don't know every word by heart. Cloudy coffee mornings without you. Cloudy coffee mornings without you. Ooh, tastes a little bittersweet, it's true. I dance around the kitchen in my socks, pretending that you never really want. Cloudy coffee mornings, soft and blue. Cloudy coffee mornings, soft and blue. I still make 2 cups, one for me, one for you. One for me, one for you. Put on your old sweater, sleeves too long. Smells like thrift store dreams and your favorite song. I talk to the plants like they understand. Water them with tears when I can't hold your hand. Street lights outside flicker like they're shy. I count the raindrops till I run dry. The record skips at the part where you say my name. I let it loop, I let it stay the same. The radio plays our song on low. I pretend I don't know every word by heart. Cloudy coffee mornings without you. Cloudy coffee mornings without you. Ooh, taste a little bittersweet, it's true. I dance around the kitchen in my socks, pretending that you never really want. Cloudy coffee mornings, soft and blue. Cloudy coffee mornings, soft and blue. I still make 2 cups, one for me, Maybe one day I'll stop waiting for you, but today the clouds are prettier this way. So I'll stay a little longer in the gray. Cloudy coffee mornings without you, they're becoming my favorite kind of blue. I sway to the rhythm of the rain on the roof, finding little pieces of me in the truth. Cloudy coffee mornings soft and new. I only make one cup, but I still think of you. Still think of you. One for me. You make me fall, fall, fall. Every time you walk in, I fall, fall, fall. Heart goes boom, boom, crashing off. Fall for you, fall for you, fall for you. Oh, fall, fall, fall. You got me spinning, I fall, fall. Sun through the window, you laugh, your call. Fall for you, fall for you, fall for you. You walk in like morning light, stealing my breath, stealing my sight. One smile and my world's on replay. Oh baby, baby, I'm falling your way. Sunlight hits your laugh just right. Sugar in my cup, but you're the sweet tonight. One glance and I'm already gone. Baby, baby, where you been all along? Oh, oh, this coffee shop crush got me buzzing, no caffeine rush. Stay a little longer, don't you go, 'cause with you here time moves slow. You're right there, right there. Hearts doing laps around this cafe chair. Falling for you, yeah, falling for you. You make me fall, fall, fall. Every time you walk in, I fall, fall, fall. Heart goes boom, boom, crashing on. Fall for you, fall for you, fall for you. Fall, fall, fall. You got me spinning in a fall, fall. Sun through the window, you laugh, your call. Fall for you, fall for you, fall for you. Yeah. Rain tapping glass, but it's warm inside it. You wipe the counter, hum a little tune. I order slow just to stay a while, hoping you'll ask how my day's going soon. Your fingers brush mine when you hand the change. Electric spark on in a second flat. Now every sip tastes a little strange, 'cause you're the only flavor I want back. Falling for you, falling for you. Right here in this glow. Falling for you, one smile, one glance. Heart skips two. Falling for you. You make me fall, fall, fall. Every time you walk in, I fall, fall, fall. Heart goes boom, boom, crashing off. Fall for you, fall for you, fall for you. Fall, fall, fall. You got me spinning, I fall, fall. Sun through the window, you laugh, your call. Fall for you, fall for you, fall for you, yeah. Baby, look at the time, it's way past 2. You still haven't eaten, have you? I grab my keys, drive across the city again, just to bring you soup and make sure you're okay.
Your coat's too thin for this cold night air. Here, take mine, I'll be fine. I wait outside your building till the light goes on. then I leave, thinking you don't even notice. You never say thank you anymore.
Do you even see how much red heart?
I give you everything I have and you just take it like it's nothing. I pour my days into your world and you act like I'm barely there. Why can't you see how much I care? Why can't you see I'm drowning here? I'm doing it all for you.
You're doing it all for me,
but we both feel so alone. I turned down that job last spring because you said you couldn't leave the city yet. I stay up, rewriting your proposals at 3 a.m. so you can shine brighter than anyone else. I push my dreams back year after year,
just so your future can keep moving forward. I smile and say I'm fine, really, while I'm quietly falling apart inside. You never ask what I gave up for you.
Do you even know much I've lost?
I drive through the rain just to see your face.
I stay silent so you can chase your play.
I cancel plans to fix what you broke.
I kill my plans so you don't have to wait.
I'm sacrificing everything. You're sacrificing everything, but you don't see it, I don't see it. We're both bleeding for a love that feels like a starving night.
I give you everything I have and you just take it like it's nothing. I pour my days into your world and you act like I'm barely there.
Why can't we see how much we care? Why are we both so scared to say
I'm doing it all for you, you're doing it all for me, but we're both feeling so alone. Maybe we should just say it before we lose what's left. You say my name like it belongs to you, like I forgot it was ever mine. You hold me close only when the room feels empty, only when the silence starts to scare you. We don't scream anymore, we just stop talking, and somehow that hurts worse. The air gets heavy when you look away, like every word I never said is hanging between us. I stay up late listening for your car outside, knowing you're not coming, but still I will. I listen. I'm losing sleep, I'm losing my mind, still I'm running back every time. Tell me why love feels like a war when it's you I'm fighting for. This love is poison in my veins, but I still call out your name. You're the fire, you're the rain, you're the cure, and you're the pain. I'm stuck inside your twisted truth, don't know who I am with you. I know this love is killing me, but you're the only sensitive when I'm just asking to be treated gently. You cross the line, then laugh it off like my pain is just a misunderstanding. Sometimes I hear your voice in the way I talk to myself, and I wonder when that started. I miss the version of me that didn't second guess every feeling, every breath, every word. I'm scared to leave, scared to stay, scared that loving you rewired something in me I won't know how to fix, and that thought sits quietly in my chest every day. Every red flag I painted blue, every laugh feels like the truth. I'm drowning just to feel your touch. Why is love supposed to hurt this much? This love is poison in my veins, but I still call out your name. You're the fire, you're the rain, you're the cure, and you're the pain. I'm stuck inside your twisted truth, don't know who I am with you. I know this love is killing me, but you're the only thing I see. Maybe love ain't supposed to burn. Maybe this is my lesson learned. Maybe walking away is strength, even if my heart still begs. I'm breaking free, I'm letting go of everything I used to know. If loving you means losing me, then baby, I choose me. This love was poison in my veins. I'm done screaming out your name. You were fire, you were rain, but I don't need you in my pain. I'm finding who I was before. I'm not your victim anymore. You had your hold, you had your chance. Now I'm walking out your hands.
Dark dawn, the city's still asleep. Street lights hum like they're tired too. I stare at the ceiling cracks again, same ones I counted last week, same blue. Dreams I wrote down at 21, now they're just ghosts in a drawer. I open my notes app, scroll through nothing. Every line feels like a closed door. Thought I was gonna be, thought I was gonna be. Realize effort doesn't really matter. Everything ahead is fog and shadow. Thought I was gonna be, thought I was gonna be. Where the hell do I go from here? The dreams I had when I was 7, the dreams I had when I was 17. Yeah. Thought the world was gone. Yeah, yeah. Friends post pictures of new cities, new jobs, new lovers, new shit. I swipe past like it burns my thumb. Pretend I'm happy for them again. My resume's a museum of almost. Interviews that ended with will call. Rent's due in 11 days, and I still don't know what I'm good for. Thought I was gonna be, thought I was gonna be. Effort doesn't really matter. Everything ahead is fog and shadow. Thought I was gonna be, thought I was gonna be. Where the hell do I go from here? The dreams I had when I was 7, the dreams I had when I was 17. Yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow the sun will lie to me, say everything's gonna be fine. Maybe I'll believe it for 5 minutes before the mirror shows the same tired eyes. I thought I was gonna be, thought I was gonna be. Realized effort doesn't really matter. Everything ahead is fog and shadow. Thought I was gonna be, thought I was gonna be. Where the hell do I go from here? The dreams I had when I was 7, the dreams I had when I was 17. Thought I where do I go?
You're my first love, falling so fast, can't get enough. First rush, heart on my sleeve, it's you, it's us. First love, yeah. You're the one I can't shake off, yeah. First love, yeah. Yeah, I'm falling for you. I still remember the day you walked by, sun in your hair, caught in the light. My hands went cold, words disappeared. One glance and the whole world shifted here. I pretended to look away, but I couldn't. Your laugh echoed, stuck in my head. Every step you took felt like a secret, pulling me closer, leaving me breathless. You're my first love, falling so fast, can't get enough. First rush, heart on my sleeve, it's you, it's us. First love, you're the one I can't shake off. First love, yeah, I'm falling for you. We talked for hours, time slipped away. Your voice like a song I wanted to play. I traced your smile in the back of my mind, wondering if you felt the same kind. Night sky longer, stars felt too bright. I'd replay every word till morning light. First time my heart learned how to race, chasing a feeling I couldn't replace. What if this fades like summer rain? What if tomorrow you're just a name, but right now your hand brushes mine, and everything stops, frozen in time. I don't know forever, but I know this spark, this ache, this quiet bliss. Even if it ends, I'll carry the glow, 'cause you showed me how hearts can grow. Oh, you're my first love, falling so fast, can't get enough, yeah. First rush, heart on my sleeve, it's you, it's us, yeah. First love, yeah. You're the one I can't shake off, yeah. First love, yeah. Yeah, I'm falling for you, yeah. wanted nothing but love and touch. I wanted nothing but love and look. I wanted nothing but love and smile. But you wanted fame, but you wanted love, but you wanted money, but you want every single thing you can ever get from me. I wanted nothing but love and touch. I wanted nothing but love and look. I wanted nothing but love and smile. But you wanted fame, but you wanted love, but you wanted money, but you want every single thing you can ever get from me. What else could I have done? I tried every day to make you smile, make you happy, make you feel fulfilled. But I guess my efforts were not enough. Every time I felt like I wasn't good enough. You set your standard high, felt like always judging, made myself small. You have your ego so high, you won't lose, you want everything in your life. I wanted nothing but love and love. I wanted nothing but love and smile. But you wanted fame, but you wanted love, but you wanted money, but you wanted every single thing you can ever get from me. You can ever get. Even though I'm complaining about you in a song, you need to know one thing: I still care about you even now. I still think about you even now. I still love you after all that. My friends tell me I need to stop. Yeah, I agree, but my heart won't stop loving you. It is just the way it is, it cannot be changed. You set your standard high, felt like always judging, made myself small. You have your ego so high, you won't lose, you want everything in your life.